I just saw him.
That smells good though. Came out the cat.
Sexy man.
Tell how many steps I took today.
Hey, you think that's funny?
Let's line it up there.
Hey, my car is broke. Okay.
I went to Will it work? I erased every last one of them off.
There go Momo. Momo. I don't know.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, fuck it, whatever.
Hey. It's changing colors.
I know, I'm trying to turn it down. Yeah.
Come in.
Correct. The Putang.
Hey, no! She's harassing me. Little cousin. This is Babe. See that? Island Vibes. Link below. This is Babe.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, he did it! He did it!
Gosh.
This is where I get that shit from.
Oh my god. Hi guys.
Follow him. Link down below. DJ Caller. Look at the butt.
Hey, baby.
I thought he stopped. Okay. Something's going on. You said you gotta fix your lights? I didn't I'll marry your car. Yo, I thought that was Evil Street Shark, but that's the what you got from Diamond Crew. Huh? What? You got a slut? You got a slut? I don't do that. I record you.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.